Good afternoon, dear student. My name is Dr. Anu Sharma and I welcome you on behalf of Mind IAS, and I am here to discuss 69th BPSC Science questions Set C. So let's begin with the questions. So in Set C, the science question starts from 51 to 80. So let's start with question number 51. So what is the question? What is the Manhattan Project? So the right answer for this question is option C, that is a research and development undertaking that produced the first nuclear weapon during the World War II. Move to the next question. The image formed by concave mirror is real, inverted and of the same size as that of the object. The position of the object should be, the right answer for this question is D, at the center of the curvature. Move to the next question. A photoelectric cell is a device which converts electrical energy into light energy, stores light energy, converts light energy into electrical energy, and none of the above. As the name implies, it's a photoelectric cell. Photo means light and electric means electricity. So obviously the right answer is converts light energy into electrical energy. Option C is the right answer for this question. Move to the next question, that is 54. The amount of solute present per unit volume or per unit mass of the solution solvent is known as dash in chemistry. So the right answer for this question is concentration of the solution. The next question is, how do COVID vaccines stimulate an immune responses? This is a question which is related to science and it is very much related to your general awareness also, because in the recent past we have seen this pandemic. So the options are by introducing an harmless piece of SARS-CoV-2 virus, by introducing antibody against SARS-CoV-2 virus, by introducing live attenuated SARS-CoV-2 virus, and by introducing a real SARS-CoV-2 virus. So the right option for this question is option B, that is by introducing antibodies against SARS-CoV-2 virus. Now move to the next question. Question number 56. Which of the following liquids is a bad conductor of electricity? Orange juice, lemon juice, salted water, and none of the above. As you know, orange juice contains citric acid, lemon juice also contains citric acid, and salted water, when you dissolve in water, it will produce Na positive and Cl negative ion, which obviously conduct electricity. So the answer for this question is D, that is none of the above. Move to the next question. The DNA double helix structure was discovered by. For this question, the right answer is option C. So James Watson and Francis Crick, they have discovered double helical model of DNA in year 1953 and they got Nobel Prize for this also. Next question 58. Two objects of different masses falling freely near the surface of the moon would. So the right answer for this question is have same velocity at any instant, that is option A. As you know, acceleration due to gravity is independent of the mass. So the right option is option A for this. Move to the next question, that is question number 59. The question is, how do vector vaccine works to provide immunity? So the right answer for this question is by entering directly into the cells and enabling them to create spike proteins, that is option B. Generally, the principles on which vaccine work is either we give vaccine of the organism which caused the disease, but in this case, because these vector vaccines are nothing but these are the fragments of mRNA. So these vaccines, they get inside the cell and they produce spikes protein, which is not identified by the body's immune system. Body immune system feels that it is something which came from outside, and against those spike proteins it will start producing the antibody. So the right option for this question is option B. Next question, the process that continually adds new crust is? The right answer for this question is A, sea floor spreading. The right answer is option A, that is sea floor spreading. Now come to question number 61. The theory that state piece of earth crust are constant, slow motion driven by movement in the mantle is called. This is a very general and common question students will study in science as well as SST also. So the right option for this question is A, the theory of plate tectonics. Now move to the next question, question number 62. What is the expanded form of term mRNA that has been widely discussed since the beginning of the pandemic? So the right answer for this question is option C, that is your messenger ribonucleic acid. As you know, like M stand for messenger and RNA for ribonucleic acid. So right option is option C. Come to the next question. An AC current can be produced by? The right answer is option A, that is dynamo. Question number 64. Current density is a vector quantity, dimensionless, a scalar quantity, and none of the above. So the right answer is A, a vector quantity. Now moving on to the next question. What is the basis of most useful classification of medications in medical chemistry? So the options given are molecular targets, chemical structure, pharmacological effect, and none of the above. If you go through the options are very similar and you can say close to each other, or you can say this is the most maybe the controversial question of the BPSC, because molecular targets are also used for medical classification, chemical structures we also use, and pharmacological effects also we use for the classification. But if you read the question carefully, especially the last line, it was given medications in medical chemistry. So in medical chemistry, if you can see, the most common basis is your molecular target. So right answer for this question is your option A. So maybe few students ask that why not the chemical structure is the most common basis of classification. As you know that the same chemical work differently in the body of different human beings or in different environments. So we cannot say that chemical structures are the most common basis of classification of medicines. Rather, the most common classification is your molecular targets, the enzymes, the receptors, or the cells on which these medications are going to work. So that's why option B is not right. Instead, option A is right, that is molecular targets. Now moving on to the next question, that is 66. Which of the following slows down the reaction rate? So 4 options are given: homogeneous catalyst, heterogeneous catalyst, catalytic promoter, and none of the above. So the right answer for this question is option D, that is none of the above. Homogeneous catalyst can also promote the rate of reaction. Heterogeneous catalyst are those catalysts maybe have the different phase as comparison to the reactant, and catalytic promoters are also the substance which can enhance the rate of reaction. So the right answer for this question is option D. Move on to the next question, that is 67. Input and output nerves meet at. So the options are central nervous system, heart, liver, and none of the above. So the right answer for this question is A. Why A? Because the option has given central nervous system. So in spinal cord, during the time of reflex action, the input and output nerves meet at a point, and spinal cord, as you know, it's a part of a central nervous system. So central nervous system is the right answer. So the right answer for this question is option A. Now the next question, question number 68. Which of the following technologies will be enabled by 5G mobile communication network? If you see this question, this is somehow related to science, somewhat computer, and somewhat your GK also. So options given are, so 3 options are given: Internet of Things, edge computing, network slicing. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Only 1 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, only 1 and 2, and only 2 and 3. As you know that 5G is you can say a technology next, which can use many features in the coming days. So Internet of Things is also used by 5G. Edge computing, you can say it is the real-time application of the entire data in the computing system, and it will increase the speed and reduce many lag points which is present in the 4G system. And network slicing is nothing but it is like it's a common infrastructure structure. You can develop a virtual network which is used by many people. So the right answer for this question is 1, 2 and 3, that is option B. Now move to the next question. Match list 1 with list 2nd. So Cassini, Huygens, Juno, Artemis and Veritas. So space mission, and the next side they have written exploration planet. So for A, the right answer is Saturn and its ring. For Juno, the right answer is Jupiter. Artemis, the right answer is human space flight, moon to Mars. And Veritas, the right answer is it is a mission started by US for Venus. So the correct answer, correct option for this answer is your 69C. Move to the next question. Match list first with list second. List first they have given a type of cloth, and list second they have given the origin of those clothes. So the first option is linen. Linen, which is made up of flax plant. Coir, very common, it is made up of coconut plant. Mohair, it is made up of Angora goat. And down, the last one is the feathers of duck and geese. So the right answer for this question is your option A. Move to the next question. Question number 71. Consider the following statement. Now, before we start with this question, I just tell you this is a question which is very deeply rooted to biology, and students, those who are very, you can say, very much known to biology, they can only give the answer of this question. So, let's read the two statements first. The first is Teniasis is an intestinal infection caused by 3 species of tapeworm, Taenia solium, Taenia sagentia and Taenia asiatica. The second statement is when cysts develop in brain, the condition referred to as neurocystic cirrhosis. And then options given are which of the above statement are correct? Only one, both 1 and 2, only one, and none of the above. So the right answer for this question is option B. Taenia solium is a parasitic infection which caused in human. Generally Taenia solium caused severe diseases in human, and Taenia sagentia and Taenia asiatica, this will not cause much harm to the human beings. Many epileptic seizures and neurological disorders caused by the species of this Taenia solium. So right option for this, both the statements are right, and the correct answer is option B, both 1 and 2. So the next question is question number 72. Which of the following are computer language? Cobra, Python, Squirrel, Java. Select the correct answer using the code given below. So all the options which is given, Cobra, Python, Squirrel and Java, they all are the computer language. So the right answer for this question is option D. Question number 72, option D. Come to the next question. What is the full form of GPT in ChatGPT recently seen in the news? So very, you can say, important thing nowadays in discussion, that once the ChatGPT will come, it will eat the jobs of many people in the industries, and it will do multiple functions, many benefits of ChatGPT in near future. So the right answer for this question is option B, that is generative pre-trained transformation. So right answer for this question is option B. Now the next question is question number 74. Which of the following are not the taste bud of the tongue? So options given: sweet, bitter, salty, spicy, umami, sour and pungent. I think all the words you have heard except one, that is a taste which is given umami. and then they have given the option, select the correct answer using this code given below. So if you see a tongue, this is the place for your salty, this region is for your sweet, this is for your sour, and this region is bitter, and this is your region for umami taste. Now the question will come to students that what kind of taste this is, umami taste, which they have not heard before. So you can say this is a very specific taste, or you can say a meaty taste, you can say. And if you see from the view of science, meaty taste means it identifies a specific protein which is called glutamate, So the taste of this glutamate, this specific protein in food items, is called umami taste. So this taste bud is also present in the tongue. Now the right answer for this question is option A. So the question is asking that which of the following are not the taste of tongue. So which is not the taste of tongue? Option A is right, 4 that is spicy, and 7 that is pungent. So the right answer for this question is option A. Move to the next question. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? So the first term given is anorexia. Anorexia means it is a eating disorder. Somebody is very hesitant about what they eat, what is their weight. So that disease is called anorexia. Insomnia you can say is a sleeping disorder. Dyspnoia is shortness of breath. Actually, if you see, it's not a disease. If you are doing heavy exercise, if you are moving to high altitudes, so then there is a cause of shortness of breath. So it's called dyspnoia. Then the last one is insomnia, that is partial or loss of full smell. So for this, only the option 3rd and 4th is right, means dyspnoia, that is shortness of breath, and 4th insomnia, that is partial or full loss of smell. So for right answer for this question is option B. Option B. And we are on the last leg of the question paper, and the question is question number 76. In the universe, what are pulsars? So right answer for this question is option D, that is rotating neutron stars. These stars will emit a very high frequency energy, that's why they are called as pulsars. Now come to question number 77. In the context of lab grown diamond, what is used as a diamond seed? So options are graphite, cubic zirconia, white sapphire, and moissanite. So the right answer for this question is actually anything which is made up of carbon. We keep it in the microwave in the very high temperature, and the crystals which is produced during that, those crystals we use as a artificial diamond. So right answer for this question is option A. Next question, question number 78. What is the fiber used to make bulletproof jacket? So the right answer for this question is option B, that is Kevlar. Kevlar is a synthetic fiber which is synthetic or man-made fiber which is made in laboratory. And what Kevlar will do, if the bullet is coming with very high speed, so it will absorb the energy of that bullet and spread the energy throughout the bulletproof jacket. So reduce the intensity of the bullet which is coming very far away from you. So the right answer for this question is Kevlar. Move to the next question. What are the full form of HMX? So 4 statements are given: high melting explosive, high density monoatomic xenon, hedge monetizing xenocurrency, Her Majesty explosive. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Only 1 and 4, C 1 and 2, and D 2 and 3. So right answer for this question is Option B, that is 1 and 4. Now come to the next question, or the last question of the science portion, that what is the name of Tesla's humanoid robot launched in October 2022? GK type question. The answer for this question is B, that is Optimus. So the right answer for the last question is B, that is Optimus. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.